Hey everyone, it's Nicole here and welcome back. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. We had a nice Christmas, but unfortunately, we were all down with a cold. The children had sore throats, and then I had a sore throat and turned into a cough after that. So it really went around the whole family. So we tried to do as much as we could with, covering and preserving a lot of the plants, etc. But the temperature actually got really cold here. It was down to 27 Fahrenheit, which is like minus -2 in Celsius. This morning, it's not too bad. It's still a bit cool. Well, when this morning it was 38. Now it's gone to the 50s. We're in the early morning, but we do have blue skies, as you can see. Uh, we have lovely sunshine, so it should warm up and the rest of the week should be really nice. But I think we're coming into another cold front again. So I'm going to show you how the vegetables did, and you'll be able to see what we did, what we didn't do, what we should have done. So let's go see. Here we have the banana plant, and as you can see, it took a real hit. So we didn't actually cover it, but the good thing about it is the base of the banana plant is didn't get damaged too bad. So come next year, the spring, it should fare quite well. We have the kale here, and that's been heavily damaged, as you can see. I'm going to show you now, but that's taken a big hit. Here we have the Swiss chard. As you can see, the base looks not too bad, but the tops are quite heavily damaged. The carrots, they look great, no damage at all to those. The cabbages have only a slight bit of damage. So here's the kale. It's tough as old boots, but it did well. It is drooping, as you can see, but we'll give it a big drink today. This is the Napa cabbage, and I'm actually surprised with the leaves loose like this how well it did. So that is splendid. I wanted you to see this Napa cabbage. It is absolutely beautiful, so green and so lush. Look at that, you can see the stems down there, but this is just beautiful. And here are the peas. They did well. And the onions, they did well. The whole row, no damage. Now the porterweed flower, that didn't do too good. You can see from the leaves. But one good thing is, if you look under the base, that doesn't look too bad. So I hope all of these survive. So come on, let's go check the greenhouse. So here's the cherry tree, and it appears that there isn't any damage at all. The leaves look fine. And here's the kumquat, and that looks good. And here's some of the tomato plants, and this one doesn't appear to have any damage, but that one does. But it is still salvageable. And the papaya, all the herbs, the parsley, the cilantro, the St. John's wort, all fine. This is the mango, no problem there. So everything is looking good in the greenhouse, which I'm really pleased about. We thank the good Lord that we really didn't get a
a lot of damage. So that's it for now. So take care, God bless, stay safe, and I hope you look forward to the new year, if you celebrate the new year or if you celebrate Rosh Hashanah. God bless.